Salt is one of the 5 basic taste sensations we all know, but some types are extremely rare and tough to produce. In this video, we'll take you through the world's most expensive salts. Some you've never seen before. Even their creation is fascinating to watch. The most common salt, table salt, likely in your kitchen now. Mined from underground deposits like Canada's Goderich mine, the world's largest. Miners descend 1,800 feet to extract 7.5 million tons yearly. Machines with rotating cutter drums slice rock-hard salt. Crushed material moves via conveyor to underground mills. Waste separates from highway and chemical-grade salt before surfacing for shipment. Oceans offer another source. Seawater flows into shallow ponds called saltons. Sun and wind evaporate water over months, leaving salt crystals, harvested mechanically or by hand, then washed and dried. This traditional method creates unique mineral profiles, yet neither mined nor sea salt compares to these rarities. "100 grams of Himalayan pink salt costs 20 times table salt. Why? Limited sources. Pakistan's Kura mine, planet's second largest. Australia's Murray River. Peru's Maras. This 800-million-year-old deposit was reportedly discovered when Alexander the Great's horses licked the rocks. No explosives allowed. Miners use hand tools to protect its 84 minerals and pink hue. Post-mining, washing, color sorting, and crafting into lamps, animal licks, and cosmetics. Icelandic salt costs 30 times more. Arctic seawater is filtered, then concentrated using geothermal heat via titanium exchangers. Pyramid-shaped flakes form in pans, hand-harvested to preserve delicacy. but one salt dwarfs others. Korean bamboo salt, 10 times costlier than Himalayan salt. Here's how it transforms in 30 days. Blocks separated by experts. Slow crushing preserves integrity. Grains dissolve in mouth. Powder seasons food. Packaged in eco-paper for export. Thanks for exploring salts, crafted with unique techniques and benefits. Which surprised you most? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you next time.